we're going to compare and merge two source code members using the SlickEdit DIFFzilla feature under CompuWare Topaz Workbench. So to get started, we open the two members that we want to compare. So first we double-click on the program in the new PDS, and then we go to the old PDS and double-click on the same member in the old PDS. So now we have both members open. A couple of notes here. First of all, you can open them in Browser Edit for the purpose of the compare. And second of all, the two PDSs could be on different LPARs, which may come in very handy in certain situations. So now that we have the two members open, to start SlickEdit DIFFzilla, all we do is click on Tools and File Difference, and it brings up the DIFFzilla dialog. Now, if this is the first time you've been in DIFFzilla, the items over here to the left in terms of sessions will be blank, and your screen will look more like this. Also, Path 1 and Path 2 will be blank. So to point DIFFzilla to the two programs that you want to compare, just click on the Diff and Open File button. And at this point, DIFFzilla displays a list of the edit sessions that you have open. So if we click on the first one, a couple of things you'll notice. First of all, the member name is all the way on the left with the type. In my case, I have not assigned a file type to this source, so it's .data. It might be .src or .cob, whatever have you. And then the way Host Explorer builds the path, the last part of the path is actually the name of the PDF that you're editing. So we'll click OK there for the first file that we want to compare. Then for the second one we want to compare, we just click on Diff and Open File and choose cobsource.old. So now we have our two files set up. We just click OK, and DIFFzilla shows us the difference between the two files. You'll notice we have a lot of useful controls. We'll start at the bottom. There's you can switch from source diff to line diff. You can undo a change. You can do a find command, and you can navigate to the previous or the next diff. Another thing to note, if this is the first time you've used DIFFzilla, is you will get a dialog asking you to confirm that you want to use source compare. And in that dialog, there is a Don't Show This Again button, and I've clicked on that, so that's why I didn't get that up. So the first time you use this, you'll get a message that begins with, you are about to run source diff. And just click Don't Show This Again and click Yes. So at this point, just to illustrate how changes are made, we'll just go ahead and do a merge all. So we're going to merge all from old to new. We'll just click on the Merge All button, and then we'll click Save File 1. And what that's going to do is save the data to the disk file, the temporary disk file that you're editing, and we'll go ahead and close that. If we didn't click on Save Data, it would have, DIFFzilla would have prompted us to save our changes. So now we can go back to our new file where you can see we've made changes with the asterisk. And at this point, Host Explorer observes that, detects that you've made changes to the file system buffered and asks if you want to load the changes. And we'll click Yes, and that will actually save the member. So when we click Yes, you'll see now the asterisk indicating that we're doing editing goes away, and all of the changes that we merged in from the old file are in the new file. So what we've done was we opened two separate members, we compared them with DIFFzilla, and we merged the changes from the old into the new.